So, a little behind the scenes about what this course is about. This course is going to start with the color page and it will then expand from there. After we have a good footing into how the colors are manipulated, how to use color grading inside of DaVinci Resolve, then we will expand over into the other tabs. So the timeline tab, the fusion tab, the Fairlight tab, etc. DaVinci Resolve is a massive application. The manual is 4,000 something pages long. So instead of me giving you, let's say, everything that the application can do, I figured let me first focus on the color grading aspect, because quite often I see that's the aspect that needs extra care, or oftentimes people who are looking to learn something in DaVinci Resolve, they come to it because of the immense power that the color page has. So that is why I chose to start in the color page and slowly but surely keep adding lectures to the course, and eventually, as I said, expand out to the rest of the application. So I would say welcome to this journey, because as I keep adding stuff, I will take your feedback to add material that you might find interesting to know about, or things that you might have seen me explain and ask, hey, can you go more in detail on that subject? And then I can do that. So I look forward to you enrolling, you becoming a student, and me teaching you the ins and outs of DaVinci Resolve.